things that I like the very best about the Water Arcade project is just how portable it is and how you have the ability to decide when you'd like to start connecting your circles. In today's video, what I'd like to show you how to do is connect a set of 4 circles to another set of 4 circles. In other words, what we're going to do is connect this circle to that one, close off this diamond space with another point of a diamond, connect this circle to that one, and then close off this diamond space with another diamond tip. To get started, I've already made the square that's at the center of every diamond. If you haven't seen the video on how to do that square, just simply hop back into my channel and you can find it there. As before, we're going to chain 5 to begin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to opt to connect this circle to that circle as my first step. So I'm going to read ahead across my stitches, skip 1 chain space, and find the next chain space in that gray circle. I'm going to pick up my pink circle and stick my hook through there as well. Wrong sides of my circles are facing. Attach them by doing a slip stitch and another slip stitch. We're going to skip 1 chain and go into the next chain and work a single crochet. A half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet. Now we're going to connect that pink circle to our square. So we're going to read across our stitches and find the next chain space, which is right here. Insert our hook, pick up our square, and find the next chain space so that the wrong sides of our circle and our square are facing. Work a slip stitch and another slip stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this is where things may look a little bit different. We're now going to work into the slip stitch that we created when we connected these 2 circles originally. If you just turn your circles over, you'll see you've got a bar that's practically screaming at you. Put your hook here. Believe it. Go ahead and put your hook right in there. I prefer to go from the top of my circles to the bottom, like this. Let me show it to you again. See the little hole? Just go ahead and insert your hook into it from right side to wrong side. Work a slip stitch. Then find your chain. Skip 1 chain closest to your hook. Work a single crochet, a half double, a double, and as before, a treble. All right. Now we're going to connect our rose-colored circle to our square. So just read over, find the next chain space, pick up your square, find your next chain space in your square, and connect them with a slip stitch. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to connect our rose-colored circle to our pretty taupe colored circle. So I'm skipping 1 chain space, finding the next chain space, and connecting them. Slip stitch. Skip a chain space, work a single crochet, half double, then a double crochet, and then a treble crochet. And the pattern that you'll see forming here is that after you've worked a diamond tip, that's when you know you need to connect your circle to your square. And if you need to, just flatten your work out Here we are, we're going to attach now this circle to the square, so find the next chain space right here and connect it to the square through the remaining chain space. Work a slipped stitch and another slipped stitch, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here we are, we're going to close off the diamond tip. So simply flip that set of 4 circles over so that you can see where you're going. You're going to head right into that circle or that little hole right there from the top to the bottom. Work a slipped stitch. And I find when I'm closing off a diamond point that already exists, you don't need a second slip stitch. Just go ahead and pull that right through and then work up your chain with your single crochet, your half double, your double, and then your treble. Okay, and we're almost done. Now we're going to just attach that circle to the square. So find that last chain space, do a slip stitch, one more slip stitch. Go ahead and pick up your scissors. Give that yarn a little snip, pull that end right through. And what you have now are 8 circles connected. Now you don't have to work 4 by 4. If your preference is to connect your circles as you go or work a set of 4 with a set of 2, you would just simply keep working the diamonds the same way you do, connecting this circle to that one, closing off your diamond space, attaching this circle to this one, and then that one to that one. But it's up to you to decide how you prefer to work. If you're watching TV, you might find it easier to work 4 by 4 and then attach those foursomes, or simply to go and add 2 circles to your existing attached circles. However you prefer to do it is absolutely fine.